Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my 2000 BMW 328i, and today I'll show you how to replace the cooling fan. Removal of the fan is required for gaining access to the belts, pulleys, most of the cooling system, and a few other things, but fortunately this type of fan is very easy to remove. I have seen a differently designed electric fan for the European E46, but I think the type on my car is more common in North America. I've been told that the fan itself almost never goes bad, but the fan in my car did in fact burn out a couple years ago at about 252,000 miles, causing the engine to overheat with the AC on. This procedure will be different if you have a car with a mechanical fan, but I've put a link in the description showing you how to remove that type as well. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Electric screwdriver, T25 Torx bit, pliers, plastic prying tool, and a plastic bowl. This part of the intake is held in with 4 plastic pins that can be pulled out with a regular pair of pliers. Each pin is made of 2 pieces, so make sure to get all of them. All 4 of these came out in one piece this time. Squeeze the sides of the intake where it connects to the airbox. It should just pop out. Remove this plastic pin from the auxiliary fan with a plastic pry tool, or carefully use a pair of dikes to pull it out. This pin came out in 2 pieces. The other side of the fan is held in with a metal screw that can be removed with a T25 Torx bit. Squeeze to remove the 2 electrical connections on the fan. Also, unplug the camshaft position sensor and tuck all of these wires out of the way. The fan should now easily slide out. Pull it straight up. Before we put the fan back in, let's take a look at the retaining clips it needs to slide into at the bottom of the radiator. The edge of the fan should just barely fit between the expansion tank and the radiator. Make sure the bottom of the fan is seated securely. Reinstall the big plastic pin in the corner of the fan next to the expansion tank. Then reinstall the screw in the opposite corner with the T25 Torx bit. Reconnect the 2 electrical connections on the fan and 1 on the camshaft sensor. The air intake should easily snap right back into the airbox. Then secure it down with the 4 plastic pins. Next, you can close the hood, because we're done. That concludes this week's video. If you like my videos, consider becoming a patron or donating on PayPal. I really enjoy making these videos, and I don't want to go back to working in the call center. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.